This is the most exclusive residential development here in Santa Rosa. This is your new address. Welcome to Trava. Today, I am going to share with you the newly launched payment term of Trava. So this is perfect for our clients looking for a stretch payment. So if you are a Filipino working abroad, a retiree, someone from Metro Manila who is planning to move in here in the South, or an investor looking for a property with at least 550 to 750 square meters lot area, keep on watching because this video is for you. Trava is a 33 hectares development here in Greenfield City. So if you are familiar with Paseo, Arcadia, and Laguna Central, so we are just close proximity. So here in Trava, sa 33 hectares development is meron tayong 45% na nakalaan for open space, parks, and also playground. Bakit nga ba Trava is the most exclusive residential village or residential address here in Santa Rosa, Laguna? That is because in a 33-hectare development, there are only 315 lots available. Basically, 315 lang kayong magkakapit-bahay sa loob ng Trava. And nag-o-offer tayo dito ng lot sizes ranging between 550 square meters up to 750 square meters lot area. So, bakit ka nga ba mag-i-invest kay Trava? So, I already mentioned, we're just close proximity sa commercial development. Katulad ng na-mention ko na Paseo Outlets, Arcadia, and also Laguna Central. And since we are close to those commercial development, that means close lang din tayo sa Nuvali, which is the largest eco-city developed by Ayala Land. So in Nuvali, nandiyan naman ang Ayala Malls and also Soledad 1, 2, 3, and ongoing construction ng Soledad 4. Plus, dire-diretsuhin mo lang yung Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, makakarating ka naman sa SM Nuvali, which is currently ongoing na din yung development. It is a game changer mall here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So kung meron tayong regular mall na SM Santa Rosa, this one is still part of Santa Rosa, but magkakaroon na tayo dyan ng iba't ibang mga luxury brands. So basically, kung ano yung nakikita mo sa SM Aura is possible na. So yun din yung iba't ibang brand na magkakaroon inside ng SM Nuvali. Another thing, syempre, hindi lang lifestyle malls ang available here in the area. We also have different hospitals like the Medical City South Luzon na part lang din ng Greenfield City. Meron din tayong QualiMed in Nuvali. Just to let you know, if you are living with your children or grandchildren na currently nag-aaral or mag-aaral pa lang, so we have here different schools and universities. So we have the Miriam College, Xavier School, we have Saint Scholastica. Meron din tayo dito De La Salle University. If ang option mo naman is an international school, of course, meron tayong Brent International and also Chiang Kai-shek in Silang Cavite. Plus, napakarami pang options. So basically, yung different prestigious universities na available in Metro Manila, they are also available here in the South. So another good thing, talking about universities. So magkakaroon din tayo dito ng Future UST sa May Santa Elena, and another one, Future UE, which is part naman ng Eton City. So, one good thing about our project is napapaligiran tayo ng iba't ibang master plan development. So, Trava itself is already a part of a master plan development ng Greenfield Development Corporation. So, na-mention ko na si Nuvali. We have here the Eton City, kung nasaan yung Eton Square. So, another commercial development na Actually, around 2 minutes away lang tayo from the main entrance. And also, to all our clients na familiar sa South Forbes, so we are just close proximity kung nasaan naman matatagpuan ang Westboro Town Center. So talking about commercial development, actually, sa tapat lang na mismong entrance ng Trava is meron tayong available na commercial lot na currently ino-offer. So for sample computation and site tripping, you can also message me on my details na naka-flash sa screen. So aside from the development and close proximity projects na na-mention ko, bakit ka nga ba mag-i-invest here in Trava? So Trava is developed by Greenfield Deluxe under Greenfield Development Corporation. Actually, hindi lang po dito sa South yung dinevelop nila. If you are familiar with Mandaluyong, maybe you're also familiar with Twin Oaks, Zetan Condominium, and Greenfield District. So, they have the same developer, katulad ng Trava. So, aside from the developments na na-mention ko, Greenfield Development Corporation is owned by Campus Family. So, maybe you are not familiar, but their family also owns Unilab. So, if you are familiar with Brentville in Binyan, Laguna, so katapat niya lang si Unilab. They also own the NutriAsia and also Del Monte Philippines and Del Monte Pacific. So, basically, so aside from land development, nag-handle din sila ng iba't ibang malalaking companies. And that's the reason why dapat natin pagkatiwalaan ang developer ng Trava. And of course, hindi lang tayo magbe-base sa development, we are also basing sa credibility ng developer. So, since na-discuss na natin kung sino nga ba yung developer ng Trava, well, inside Trava, again, we have 33 hectares development wherein 2 hectares is dedicated for the clubhouse. We have 45% open space, parks, and also playgrounds. So, meron din tayong wide main road and katulad ng palagi ko na may mention, we have 550 to 750 square meters lot area available. So, this project is perfect para sa mga clients natin na Filipinos working abroad, retiree, na gusto na merong malalapit na hospitals and different commercial developments in the area. Trava is also perfect for investors since Trava only offers 315 units inside a 33 hectare development. So basically, kapag nakapwesto ka na kay Trava, this project will never gonna be duplicated. Hindi na siya magkakaroon ng extension unlike ng mga other projects na ino-offer natin. So basically, since limited lang yung demand, definitely in the future tataas yung demand ng Trava and perfect siya for flipping. So if ever tumaas na yung value ng property and gusto mo siyang i-resell, definitely we can also assist you. And if you have an existing properties in Metro Santa Rosa or nearby developments, you can also contact me on my details flash on the screen. So we can also help you na ibenta yung property. Now, syempre, bago natin i-end yung video, I will share with you few sample computation para sa ating available inventory. Here in Trava, we only have phase 1 and phase 2. So, hindi na siya maduduplicate, hindi na siya mai-extend. So, sa loob ng Trava, we only have 315 units available, ranging between 550 to 750 square meters lot area. And kung umabot ka sa point ng video na ito, congratulations kasi mag-share ako sa iyo ng sample computation for a 599 square meters lot area. Right now, we are here at phase 1 lot 3, which is an end unit. So, for a 599 square meters lot area, ang ating total contract price is 27,264,859 pesos and 34 cents. Now, for the computation, so you just need to pay 100,000 for the reservation, 10% spot payment, which is equivalent to 2,626,485 pesos and 93 cents. And there will be a 10% down payment that will be payable in 36 months. So that's gonna be 75,735 pesos and 72 cents per month. And the rest, which is 80%, pwede natin siyang bayaran ng spot cash after the 36 months, or we can loan through bank. So, kung nandito ka pa rin sa point ng video na to, another congratulations kasi mag-share ulit ako ng another computation. So, right now, we are here at Phase 1, Block 15. So, this property has 552 square meters lot area, and ang selling price naman natin is 32,658,240 and 65 cents. So same sa kanina, meron tayong 100,000 for the reservation, 10% spot payment, but this time yung 10% niya is 3,165,824 pesos and 6 cents, and 10% down payment payable ng 36 months is 90,717 pesos and 34 cents. So kung napansin nyo na magkaiba yung pricing niya, medyo malaki yung difference niya, though mas malaki naman yung kabilang property na i-feature natin kanina. So nagva-vary siya depending on the lot classification. So this one specifically is katapat lang natin yung open space, while yung kaninang property, though end unit siya, it's a perimeter lot. So meron din naman tayong mga clients na preferred ng perimeter lot para at least wala na silang kapitbahay on the other side ng property. And that's the two of the sample computations na meron tayo for today. So if you are someone looking for a property with at least 550 square meters to 750 square meters lot area, well, I am inviting you so we can schedule a site viewing here in Trava para din ma-feel nyo yung vibes ng community and makita nyo yung actual lot na ino-offer natin. So aside from those two, definitely we have a few more lots available here in Trava, but again, it's a reminder that we are only offering a total of 315 lots here in Trava. And that's it for today. So I already shared with you why this project is perfect for our overseas Filipino workers, for retiree, for someone from Metro Manila planning to move in here in the South, and for an investor. So I already shared with you who is the developer, ano yung iba't ibang development sa area and future development. So, and also the computation. So if you want to schedule a site visit, I am definitely glad to assist you. Just message me at 63965-0759571 through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp.